guys, this is Meredith Wilson with Donna Team New Bern, and we're here at 214 Shoreview Drive in the Waterfront neighborhood of Brices Creek Harbour. The construction has come along really nicely, so we wanted to show you some of the custom coastal features that the home has. The foyer flows right into the open floor plan. As you can see, the kitchen is open to the living room. We have two-tone cabinets. They're custom and soft close, and the cabinets match the built-ins around the fireplace as well. Let's take a look at the updates that have been done in the master bedroom and bathroom on the first floor just off of the living room. As you can see, the master bedroom has tons of natural light. The spacious master bathroom will feature a tile shower, a large soaking tub, and a walk-in closet. A really unique feature of this floor plan is the direct access to the laundry room in the master closet. Let's take a look at how the upstairs bedrooms are coming along. Upstairs features an additional bedroom and a bathroom which you can access from the bedroom or the hallway. You'll also find a large bonus room at the end of the hallway, and tons of attic space can be accessed through the bonus room. Stay tuned to watch how all the final finishes come together. Feel free to contact our team or check back on our page to schedule your private showing.